Introducing the GX12. Developed in collaboration with Express LRS and Edge TX, a groundbreaking fusion of technology and performance. Get ready to experience connectivity like never before. Featuring the groundbreaking Gemini crossband protocol for an ultra-reliable connection, even in the most demanding RF environments. With dual 1-watt transmitters, the GX12 has the power for exceptional range and a rock-solid signal when it counts the most. The GX12 has 512 megabytes of integrated high-speed flash memory, giving you all the space needed. Designed for portability, the GX12 features foldable dual-band antennas and retractable gimbal sticks, making it easy to transport without compromising performance. Featuring 1000 Hz digital gimbals with Edge TX sync. These 12-bit CNC machined aluminum gimbals use quad ball bearings for exceptional precision and responsiveness, setting a new standard in gimbal technology. The GX12 offers 6 customizable RGB buttons, a modular switch panel, and DIY SMA ports, empowering you to tailor your setup to your preferences. One USB-C port does it all: smart balance charging, SIM connectivity, and firmware updates. Engineered for the extremes, the GX12's thicker plastics, hydrophobic PCB coating, and efficient cooling system make the GX12 built to thrive in demanding environments. Count on the GX12 to deliver reliability and durability no matter where your adventures take you. RadioMaster, where innovation meets performance.